Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? I'm CJ over here at Limitless Lithium. Don't forget to subscribe to YBASS's YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below what you thought. Hit the notification bell so you know every time YBASS posts a new video. Also, check out YBASS at YBASSworld.com for top names in the audio industry.
I was gonna get you to tell me and tell everybody about your bill.
Okay,
So,
you know I'm the Stanky Panky, baby.
that's right.
I got 815s on 4 MD12000s wired at 0.5, clamping about 32,000 watts, doing a 162.24 at the headrest, 163.7 at the kick. I did a 160.04 today for a 3-minute average at 38 hertz. Got down.
It gets
It's a fourth order, it's a 1-to-1.
Stanky Panky.
Got the platinum 15s,
Bam.
D2s, wired at 0.5 per 12K. Getting down.
It's nice, and I love
I did
your.
all the Rick and Morty. I did
This.
it all in a week. Did my doors in a day.
This is crazy.
Hey yo, Brody. Look. She like the way it drip drop, pushes in a pit stop. Hands all clean, at your door, let you know. Till I chop a bit block, pulling in a zip lock, sticky in the middle, watch your door, let it show. In the city, I'm the sis God known for the big rock. And I'm with the missile, watch your door, let you know. Little nigga been hot, baby, drop a pin, drop. Shouldn't run the key if you can't take a smoke. Set focus on a shot, no need for a scope. Damn, heaters on the block, no need for a coat. Right off the jet, laying out in the boat. Yeah, I think I'm in an A, but I'm on a coast. With a bad little hip, Johnny, let her give me throw.